Today I'm planting some roses. As you can see, these are from Heirloom Roses. I will be amending the soil and preparing the area that I'm going to plant these in. I don't have the best soil in this backyard and it's very clay-like, so we're going to add some good nutrients in here.
I'll share a photo and the name of the varieties that I'm growing this year, so if you want to grow the same, you can visit Heirloom Roses website. I will put the link in the description, and there's also discount codes, so take advantage because the discount code is only available for a short amount of time. It's 20% off. They do have climbing roses and they also have cut roses, which I will be doing one of each this year.
Let's get right into it. So when you open the package, you'll see that it comes with some instructions, and you do want to follow these to give your plants a good start. I'm just removing the rest of the packaging, and then the next thing I'm going to do is give these plants a really good water inside the pots before I do anything else. So these varieties are own root roses, and like I said, they are from Heirloom Roses. What that pretty much means is that this is one variety from its own rootstock. So usually when you get roses from the big box stores, those oftentimes tend to be grafted roses. Grafted roses can oftentimes be prone to diseases and they aren't winter hardy. Own root roses are disease resistant and are winter hardy. So next you can see I'm digging a hole that is 24 inches wide and 24 inches deep. The soil that I'm adding also has no granulated fertilizers, so you do not want to use that for the first year. Make sure you stay away from that. We'll be adding bone meal and worm castings to our soil, mixing it all in and then planting the roses. Like I mentioned, you want to stay away from soil that has granulated fertilizer like Miracle-Gro because that can burn the roots. Here I'm adding a cup of bone meal and then a cup and a half of worm castings. And now I'm just making sure that it goes all the way to the bottom so that all that nutrients can get spread everywhere. Next, I'm just going to gently take the plant out, and you do not need to break up the root ball. It's actually not even root bound at all. I'll also be combining this live existing soil that I have in my garden and mixing it in with the rest of everything else. If you have clay soil like mine, you want to make sure that the soil that you are adding is nice and fluffy so that it gives space for the roots to expand. Gently press in the soil and then give it a good watering.
Okay, so this rose that I plant here is a climbing rose, so we're gonna put a trellis here so that it starts to climb and arch over the garden. We are done. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.